How to enable or disable dual SIM on Android phone. Here's how. Open the Settings app on your phone. Tap Mobile Networks. Here, you'll see all the SIM cards currently inserted in your phone. Select the SIM card you want to enable or disable. Turn the Enable toggle on to activate the SIM card. If you want to disable it, simply turn the Enable toggle off. If prompted, confirm your choice by tapping OK. Once enabled, the SIM card will be ready to use for calls, messages, and mobile data. If both SIM cards are enabled, you can also choose your preferred SIM card for calls, messages, and mobile data from the same settings page. That's it! You've successfully enabled or disabled a SIM card on your Android phone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.